So, gesture is about how our body shows up in the marks that we make. So, that can be from the smallest flick of your wrist to the sweep of a whole arm movement. And movement really brings energy, rhythm, and flow to our work. Use what you've got to hand. Again, if you just have one brush, you can do a lot with it. So, this is a very famous artist. He was an American painter known for his gestural calligraphic style. And he had this very unique way of blending drawing and painting. He was very interested in transforming spontaneous gestures into this powerful, expressive visual language. Kandinsky is famed for his vibrant compositions, and they explore rhythm, harmony, movement, and they seek a kind of spiritual, universal visual language. But he really believed that art could be like music and that lines, shapes, and colors could express rhythm and emotion. The difference we're going to have this time is we're going to close our eyes and just so that you get a real sense of excluding all of your senses apart from touch. Obviously, you'll still be able to hear. So, first of all, we're just going to be working really slowly. And don't worry if your hands start to work slightly independently. And we're just going for smooth, organic shapes initially. So you see, what you want to do is you want to start using your whole body. So I'm just swaying from side to side because that's what I feel like doing at the moment. If you don't feel too self-conscious, I would actually encourage you to close your eyes as well. Because what that does is you start to completely focus on the sound of your brush on the page and the feeling of moving your body. That working big is a bit scary. But if you start out by not worrying about creating something representational and just focusing on the feeling that it creates and the marks that you're creating, okay? There's no rules, no limits. You do what feels right. Turn your brain off and just make marks along to the music and enjoy it, okay? Whatever maximizes that feeling of a sensory connection to what you're hearing. Notice how the different states of your mind might affect the movement of your hand. If you're feeling a bit anxious, you might be a bit more scribbly. And if you're feeling quite relaxed, it might be smoother. Watch a short video or just observe the world around you. And you might see a dancer or an athlete or just a busy street, some kind of movement that you're aware of.